Friends, I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. Let me show you to create interactive shadow. I will try to show an easier way. I always try to show easier ways to use Photoshop. You can apply this shadow effect on text, or you can apply on human image. Like this is an image of model. Let's get started without delay. As this one you can see a texture. I will write a text on it. Suppose I write Tutelar. Adjust it on the texture. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer of text. Right click on layer, then choose rasterize type. Name this layer shadow. Again press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Name this layer text. Active layer for shadow. Press Ctrl and click on layer to make selection. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Press Alt plus Delete to fill it with black color. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Select an active layer for shadow. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, then click on Path Blur. Drag the controls to create a blur. Create a blur in the direction of the arrow. You can click and drag endpoint to reposition. Uncheck Center Blur in Controls. You can increase length of shadow. I mean you can make it long or short shadow. Increasing speed will increase shadow length. You can adjust it according to your text. You can increase taper for taper effect. Now there is shadow effect on text. When you satisfy with shadow effect on text, then press OK. It will apply shadow on specific layer. So, here is text with shadow effect. Here is text before and then after. We can apply this shadow effect on human image. Here is an image of model. And we will apply shadow effect on it. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Go to Select, then click on Subject. It will create selection of model. Press Ctrl plus J to make copy via layer. Name this layer shadow. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Name this layer model. Select an active layer for shadow. Press Ctrl and click on it. It will make selection of model. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Press Alt plus Delete to fill it with black color. Let me show you to disable above layer. Layer for shadow is filled with black color. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Active layer for shadow. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, then click on Path Blur. Uncheck Centered Blur. Increase speed of shadow according to image. You can change direction of shadow. Increase taper according to image. When you satisfy with shadow, then hit OK. Again go to Filter, Blur, and click on Gaussian Blur. Set amount 6 pixels for radius. Or you can change it according to your image. Finally click OK. Reduce opacity to 40% for shadows. Or let me set it 50%. It is totally in your control. So, here is shadow effect on image. Look at before then after. Like this way you can apply directional shadow. I hope you like this video. Hit like and subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching.